In the last video, I showed you how to make the Talk to Me app. You push a button and phone talks to you. Now, I extend this app in this module. Instead of saying a fixed phrase, I want the app to say whatever the user has typed into text box. Don't you think it would be a lot more fun if you could tell the phone what to say? To set this up, go to Designer tab. Go to User Interface drawer and pull out a text box. Let's rearrange that a bit and put the button under the text box. Now go to Blocks again. Click on text box and look at the blocks it has. We now want to change what happens when the button is clicked. Scroll all the way down to the green blocks that we call getters and setters because they allow you to get and set the properties of the component. You want the text that has been typed into the box. So you need the getter block for textbox1.text. Put that block inside the whenButton.click event block. To do this, you have to throw away the old text block and then click this new text block in its place. Try your app out again. When you click in the blank text box on your phone, your keyboard will come up automatically and you can type in whatever you want. Then click Talk to Me and see what happens. For example, I have written Hello World. Then your phone will say Hello World. There are some cool ways to extend this app.